Nissan Kick service cost, diesel version. First service at 10,000 km rupees 2,494. Second service 20,000 km rupees 4,394. Third service at 30,000 km rupees 8,544. Fourth service at 40,000 km rupees 7,194. Fifth service at 50,000 km rupees 5,294. Approximate service cost for Nissan Kicks from first to fifth service rupees 27,920. Nissan Kicks petrol version. First service 10,000 km rupees 3,145. Second service at 20,000 km rupees 2,495. Third service 30,000 km rupees 8,545. Fourth service at 40,000 km rupees 5,295. Fifth service at 50,000 km rupees 5,945. Approximate service cost for Nissan Kicks from first to fifth service is rupees 25,425. Nissan Kicks diesel version engine oil rupees 1,498. Oil filter rupees 450. Fuel filter rupees 1,900. Brake and clutch oil rupees 1,000. Coolant rupees 1,350. Nissan Kicks petrol version. Engine oil rupees 1,499. Air filter rupees 650. Spark plug rupees 800. Brake and clutch oil rupees 500. Coolant rupees 1,300.